Hello everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. And with this tutorial I want to teach you how to make this cute emoji for St. Valentine's Day. We will need just a few materials. For the emoji I used La Abuelita brand yarn. Is 100% yarn and is about 3 millimeters to like Sinfonía. For the heart I used Sinfonía brand yarn, the color red, and this one is 3 millimeters yarn and also is 100% cotton yarn. Remember, you can use whatever yarn that you prefer, depend of your yarn. Maybe the size of this amigurumi will be different, and also maybe you need change the number of hook. For this yarn I prefer use 2.5 millimeters hook. Also we need a wool needle with some yarn for embroidery, mouth, eyes, and eyes brown. I prefer this color. This yarn is for embroidery, but you can use the yarn that you prefer for this. It's just a detail. Also, I recommend that you use some color like this one, no black color yarn. The black color yarn is so beautiful, but in this case, I prefer that the hair and the cute face seem more like, like the black color yarn. And also we need scissors, pins, staff, and I will put the heart using hot silicone, but also you can sew it if you prefer that. I will use this brush for hair cheeks. You can use permanent if you have. This is all the materials that we will need, so if you want to do it, let's start. We will start making this sphere. For this sphere, we already have the tutorial on this channel. In the description of this video, I will share the link with you. But if you think that it's not necessary to see that video, here you can see the subtitles. It's very easy to do these spheres. Also, remember, put the staff before close everything. And remember that it's very important the staff, not only with the crochet. And so you can stop the video if you want to make following the subtitle, or you can follow the link. This hair, we already have the tutorial in this channel to do it. In the description of this video you can find it. I put it here just for feel more comfortable. So then we will make 3 hearts like these ones. I'm already made 2. Then let's make the third one together. We will use red color yarn, the yarn that you prefer, remember that. Then we will start with a magic rain, and then 2 chains. This one will be the first chain, and 1 more. Now 1/2 double crochet, 1 single crochet, now 1 chain, 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and 1 slip stitch in the magic rain. Now you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for secure later and hide it. You need to make this is better only if you want it. And now you can close the magic rain. And secure. Later I will put it with using a hot silicone, but if you will sew it with a emoji, I prefer that you hide it. It's better, but in my case I only cut the yarn and that's it. Then the 3 hearts already, and you can see the result. They are very small, I know that, but so cute. Then now we will embroider mouth, eyes and eyebrows. I will use this yarn is for embroider. This is the code. You can use the color that you prefer, remember that. Then using a wool needle we will embroider. But first pay close attention. We will put the mouth between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 rounds. Between 6 and 7 rounds with 2 points of separation the mouth. You can select the front of your emoji. Now, this is the 7th round, then 8, 9 and 10. Between rounds 9 and 10, the eyes with 2 points of separation in each eyes and 2 points of separation in between there. Then this is the 10, 11 and 12. Between rounds 11 and 12, the eyebrows with 3 points for each one and 4 points of separation. Now pay close attention and you can see how I embroidered all the details. Everything is very easy. Also, you can embroider different if you like that. When you finish, this is the result. Is very cute. Then we will put the heart, in my case using a hot silicone. To convert it into a keychain, we will use the same yarn that we use on the emoji. Take a loop, and we will start with 6 chains. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now take the rein and make 1 single crochet. And now 6 slip stitch in these chains. 1 slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And later you can see how I secured the both yarn. Then this is the result. I really love this emoji. Remember, if you like our tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell, and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video, because we will make more emojis. Then you can use the perfect sphere and make more for later. And don't forget to give me your like and your comment. I really appreciate that. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next amigurumi, bye bye.